gonna be playing out to Van. Yeah, one of my favorite YouTubers. I am not gonna trust that guy. Trust Nuh-uh. Whatever. Wonder what it means though. F-K-U-X-K-U. So what I am gonna put it here, don't
Marami siyang mga pinikito na kapag daw ito nakatusok sa ito, possible na imantak. Yung parang matinig.
What the fuck?
So ayan, napakasabay ko sa mga makuha na yung blessing. Taga-saan ka ba rin?
Itinatago ito ng malalaking kumpanya ng TV. Isang lata lang, lahat ng channel mabubuksan. Alam mo ba na maaari mong mapanood ang iyong mga TV channel nang hindi gumagastos ng malaki sa isang digital antenna? Tama, gamit lamang ang ilang simpleng materialis na malamang ay mayroon ka.
Awesome joke. What the fuck? Oh, nice. It's all red. Red. What's that? Shoot. No. I think it's her. It's her. Yeah, it's her. I am a okay. I think I just saw. I know you. She barely just reset. Oh my god. Okay. I got glitch out. Who cares? Who cares?
Random life. Hindi mo maintindihan. Ito mo natalo pa. Ayoko na nga. Ayoko na makalimutan.
The murderer. I'm so laggy.
bago natin na lapo na ulo. So, andyan na. Ba't ko binenta si Blue? Sobrang ingay. Kasi natatakot yung anak ko sumakay pagkagang kaingay. Dahil yung dahilan, mapapakita ko sa inyo.
Nel, where are you?
So yun guys. So this is it. Ayan yung susi niya. So guys,
What are you doing?
Died.
Okay, so first thing first, pakinggan
You watch
muna natin.
TV.
Okay. So ito na extra sa tayo.
Ano yung TV?
Okay.
Yeah. Yung bagbag mo kasi hindi ko ito pinapansin eh. Hmm? Be good ha? Kasi sa NBC eh.
Oh, come on, girl.
Blood daddy? Later you eat rice ha? Hmm?
Ooh, it just tastes good sometimes. That's a nice shot, girl. Oh, I think that girl is a pro. Except for me. I'm not a pro. But it's okay. Everyone just tried their best. Like me, I just tried my best. But one time, girl just shoot me. The bunny. Oh. I guess we have a.
You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken? I did, and you're about to find out. Uh-oh. La 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 lava. Chicken. These lava chicken nasty as hell. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you have to stack. Ooh, super spicy. You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken? I did, and you're about to find out. La 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 lava, chicken. These lava chicken nasty as hell. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you.
Isabel! Sige, ultimate ako! Streamline ka ba? Ako nila Isabel! Ako po! Streamline!
No! Not fair. Yay, now I got Sheriff. Oh wait, I think she's coming. I think I may have to play again. I wasn't that I may have to play. No, what the? Did it come here first?
dosa 3 kali dan tidak nyawa, maka makhluk ini datang di rumah kalian. Tung 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 tung.
Missing. Oh wait, that's fine. Bro is speed glitching. I don't like it. I don't like it when there's speed glitch or like
Yapit.
jumping glitch. I'm glad. Poop.
You hungry?
Looks like a poop.
Eh, you didn't eat rice eh. You eat rice. Huh?
What happened to my core block? Don't mind it. I don't know what's wrong with my core block. But everyone's core block are normal. But why not me?
Oh, yun.
Why not me? I'm just Duh. Duh. We know. But I think I'm like being a little toxic. I'm like toxic to like. Oh no! Okay, this girl. Mario. I'm good, man. In your dreams. I should try You know when the murderer could be in one of these rooms. Bro, why is he like kind of stuck? Oh, what? Oh, possibly lagging. I don't know what's Vanny's favorite map though, but I like the ones that I like. Oh yeah, I got sheriff. What is that? We just started and this happened? No way else. I was wanting. It's not fair. Why is this girl like kind of like not moving out? Murder already? And my power's already displayed. Who is it? Not even my friend. Did he sell it or not? Can you try to act like I'm innocent or something? Kong, 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 kong. Kong, 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 kong. Who's the murderer? Let's try to be like innocent or something. Well, I am literally like why can't I throw though? Bro, I'm literally gonna give up until I didn't manage to throw on them or something. Huh. I decided to stop. Then get